Hello, it's Cava Faulkner, Elk Grove succession planning attorney and Sacramento Living Trust attorney. Thanks for tuning in to another edition of the Daily with Christine. And today I have something really fun to talk about, having nothing to do with estate planning or business planning, but I just had to bring this to you because it's very close to my heart. So Nestle has announced that they are making a vegan Kit Kat bar. So believe it or not, one of the first candy makers in the US, or at least mainstream candy makers, has come up with a vegan alternative. And because I am vegan, and I have been for, a year and 3/4 or something like that, I just had to bring this to you because I think it's super cool. So one of the things that Nestle has announced is that there's apparently been a clamoring for vegan alternatives in the candy market. And so they stepped up to the plate and came up with the vegan Kit Kat. And they talk about how it's been tough because many candy makers actually use milk in, of course, their milk chocolate offerings, their milk chocolate candy bars, and using dark chocolate is far easier to come up with a vegan alternative. And so also making something that tastes good, I think, has been a challenge, and that's what they talk about in the press release about this new Kit Kat bar. So they've apparently developed something that both tastes good and is going to be great for your body and good for the environment. So one of the things that's really important to me, and one of the reasons I became vegan, is because being vegan has a much greener impact on the world, right? Our carbon footprint is far less impactful being a vegan. And so they mentioned that the Dietary Guidelines Advisory Committee recommended for the first time in 2015 that a vegan diet, or any diet that lowers the amount of animal products a consumer eats or drinks, has a lower environmental impact. So I think that that's absolutely terrific. And for those of you who have a sweet tooth, maybe you'll want to give this a try when it hits the market. I definitely am going to do that. So one of the things that isn't mentioned in the article and is so interesting to people that are vegetarian or vegan, especially vegan, is whether or not they will include palm oil in their product. So folks who are really, really stringently vegan look to exclude, food items that include palm oil, even though technically it's not an animal product. It is something that has a really negative impact on the environment. And so, yes, I'll be interested to see whether they have eliminated palm oil and used some other alternative, like, say, coconut oil, which is seen in many vegan products. So something fun and different for the Daily with Christine. Big shout out to those of you that are vegan like me. Even if you're not, reducing your animal protein by a little bit is definitely a great thing for your body, definitely a great thing for our earth. So I hope you've enjoyed this very different edition of the Daily with Christine. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to our channel if you like our content and like our videos, and definitely let us know how we can help you. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I am an estate and business planning attorney. So if you have any estate or business planning needs, I'm certain that we can help you. So give us a shout out, check out our website, give us a call if we can assist you in any way. We're so happy to do that. Take care and see you next time. Bye-bye.